What's the meaning of ambidextrous? Ambidextrous. 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 Ambidextrous.
The word ambidextrous describes a person's ability to use both hands with equal skill. This means that such an individual can perform tasks that require fine motor skills, such as writing or drawing, with either their left or right hand. Being ambidextrous is considered a rare and valuable trait, as it allows for greater versatility and adaptability in various situations. Studies have also shown that being ambidextrous may have cognitive benefits, such as improved problem-solving abilities and better memory function.